Hi friends, are you ready to tour through my friend Holly's beautiful and creative house? I can't wait for you to see all of her great home decor ideas. So my friend Holly and I have a lot in common, and one main thing is home decor, furniture makeovers, and thrifting. They have done so much to this house in the last 7 years. Just a beautiful place. And the porch is where I'm going to take you first because I just love her recent makeover of it. She painted her front door yellow, which I think goes beautifully with all of the gray and everything. And I can't wait for you to see how she stenciled the concrete on her front porch. It looks really cozy and comfortable, and she's got great seating up here. They added the shutters, and blue is kind of her signature color. She loves blue, and she's got a lot of different variations of it in her house. And so she's pulled it all together really well with this stencil. And when they moved in, they did paint the house on the outside. They painted the brick and the siding, and it's held up beautifully. And there is a great shot of that stenciling. And it took a little time, but I think the payoff was really great because it's really cozy. And that's funny because that Papasan chair I sold to her when we did a garage sale, and now I tease her and say I want it back because it looks so cute out here. Such a nice place to sit and drink coffee. So here we're going in, and it's kind of an open concept, and there's their dog Charlotte, who is very friendly and likes to play and is really sweet. This first buffet piece here is one that she painted in chalk paint, again with that a really pretty blue, and you'll see that she's really good at getting the distressing and different finishes. And that's one thing we have in common. Here it was really dark. She had painted the top, but then she went ahead and did the blue. And you can see there's a lot of storage there. And it's right, her entry is right across from her dining room, so it gives her a lot of nice storage. And then a nice open living room with the beams. And there's the dining room I was telling you about. She painted those shutters. And she's got a lot of family pieces that she's had for years. Some of them are vintage. And she's got a lot of beautiful artwork in the house. But she is one that I can get excited with. We get excited over paintbrushes and decorative furniture paints. It gets, we don't know why we're wired this way, but we both love it. Here's a piece that just came out beautiful. She kind of put a restoration hardware finish on it there. And I mean, took an ugly duckling and made it gorgeous. And this is their screened-in porch they got done a couple of years ago. And this is such a great place to hang out too when they're having a lot of people over. It's kind of an overflow to the living room. And in the nice weather, it works out beautiful. And love her dark wood floors. Here's a piece that she got when they moved in, even though it's kind of a U-shaped, almost a galley kitchen. She was able to find a furniture maker that made rustic pieces that had some in a flea market, and she had her exact sizes made, or exact size that she needed out of reclaimed wood, and she has all her spices in that spot. So it's really handy. And honestly, I've been over there many times where 2 or 3 people are working in the kitchen, and it really works. This is so funny. Our friend Rebecca, when they moved in, had put those little animals facing out, and she never has changed them. She said it reminds her of Rebecca. She can't move them. Here's a sliding barn door. Of course, most of us love those. That's off her laundry room, and it's really cute. It added a lot of fun sort of farmhouse style. And walking down the hall into her bedroom. Again, she's got some family pieces and some pieces that she's painted in here. Very pretty artwork. It's just a calm, peaceful bedroom. And again, beautiful blue nightstand here with some gorgeous distressing on it. And this is her upstairs. The lighting up here was a little difficult, but another painted piece. But you can see it's a very pretty space. And her son had just come and visited and stayed up there, and I think they were pretty comfortable. And then now into her other guest bedroom. This she told me she had done with Miss Mustard Seed chalk paint. The milk paint, which, as you know, can give you a little bit more chippy finish. And I think it just came out really pretty, really modernized these pieces. A lot of times, you know, they start to feel dated with the older finish, which she has kept a lot of pieces with their original finish on it, but just modernized some of them and brightened them up for just the way we generally like our modern homes, sort of bright and airy. And you can see the finish on it's beautiful. So I'm really grateful that Holly let us share her home, and be sure and subscribe if you love this kind of content. And you're going to see so many furniture makeovers and DIYs and fun home decor. So be sure and subscribe and hit the bell, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching today.